Hey everyone, it's Trader Rob. Today is December 7th, Sunday. Just wanted to provide everybody with our new weekly bands and tradable levels and go over how well the tradable levels and the bands performed since my last video I think it was November 30th, last Sunday. So want to get everybody prepared for the upcoming week. If you haven't joined the stream, this week was it's been a tough trading. I would say the last 10 to 12 trading days, we've been in this really tight range and having a really hard time with the ES finding setups. But the NQ has at least afforded us a few good setups throughout this week. Made some videos on it. And if you haven't, I am live every single morning at the market open, 8:30 Central Time, and we go for about 2 hours. So if you haven't joined the stream, I would highly suggest you guys doing that. You'll be able to capture some of these nice A plus winning setups. So let's get into the new tradable bands, the tradable levels, and see how they reacted during this last trading week right after the intro. As always, nothing that I state on my channel is financial advice. Trading futures or any type of trading is risky business. Any capital that is put out there is at risk for loss. All right, so let's jump into the charts. We're on to the NQ. My video on the 30th came out somewhere around here. So I gave you guys a tradable level here at the 25,233 and a new weekly band at the 25,222 down to the 25,140. As you can see, price action tapped in into this weekly band. We've got a nice rejection, tapped into our tradable level, very nice rejection, came back, retested the level, and then you got a very, very big move to the upside. Finally hit into our new weekly band here at the 25,498. And as you guys can see, price action had a hard time breaking through this band. Again, it takes three things: either high impact news, headline news, or multiple retaps into the same band for it to finally break through. I keep saying it. I'm giving you guys some very actionable trading opportunities just off of these Sunday videos that I give you guys for the upcoming week. But as you can see, the tradable level here got respected really well. This band got respected really well. This band got respected really well. We finally broke through. What did we do? We came right back into this band, got our support, got our volume, and then we finally were able to a lot of chop. I mean, this was like I said, it's been a little difficult in general over these last 10 days. If you were break even or a little bit in the green, I think you're doing a really good job. But we finally broke through. Where did we tap into? The 25,850, guys. I mean, that's like a perfect top right there. Strong rejection off that level, and that is the power of these levels and these tradable levels that I provide you guys with every Sunday. If you guys want to get an emailed report of these, all of my levels, all of my bands, everything that I don't show here on the chart, just go to my website, which is robstrades.com. You put your name and your email. You should get a pop-up right on the homepage, and you'll get that email sent off to you every single Sunday. So now let's make some slight adjustments on the NQ. First thing I'm going to do is we've got a new weekly band here that's now going to sit at the 25,575. And that's going to go down to the 25,488. And then again, that's the 25,575 to the 25,488. Okay, so that's where this new weekly band is going to be sitting at. And then I think there's going to be one more. So let me just clone this one. Move this guy up. And then this one now is going to be sitting at the 25,388 to the 25,323. Again, 25,388 down to the 25,323. Okay. And then as far as our tradable levels, I can get rid of this guy. He did his job. Remember, we've got this level here at the 25,107, and we got another level here at the 24,963. As far as some new tradable levels. Oh, and I get rid of this guy. He did his job really well. All right, first tradable level is going to be sitting at the 25,802. Let's see if I got this guy. And this one is going to be sitting at the, 25,802. So that is sitting above where price action is currently sitting at. We've got our second tradable level at the 5602. So again, that's the 25,602. All right, so you've got a tradable level above price action, you've got a tradable level below price action, and you've got your new tradable bands for the NQ for this upcoming week. Now, if we jump over to the ES. So the ES, we had, let's see if I can, all right. So again, ES has been the most difficult for me. I mean, look at this range that we've been sitting in here. This is almost 10 days of price action right here. And it's just been very, very tight on the ES. So, but with that being said, our video, or my video, came out right here on the 30th. I gave you guys a tradable level at the 6807. What happened? Beautiful bounce, all tradable, all scalpable, beautiful level right there at the 6807. Now, I will say that I have no new weekly bands and I have no new tradable levels on the ES. There's just nothing here that I can find that's A+ winning setup on the ES. So right now the NQ is the one that I am looking at the most. We've got a tradable level here sitting at the 6763 and another tradable level sitting here at the 6710. And then this weekly band, this is, to me, it looks like a very good setup right here. Again, this one's from the 6720 down to the 6688. So wishing you guys the absolute best. I will be live tomorrow morning. I'm in my place here in Florida. Get back on Tuesday, but I will be live, like I said, tomorrow at the market open. And again, if you want to receive all of my levels and all my tradable weekly bands, just go to robstrades.com. Wish you guys the absolute best in this upcoming week and hoping that we get some better price action. Take care, everyone.